What is up, YouTube? This is Rick G. I am back with another video, and we have an unboxing. You've seen the title, you've seen the thumbnail. It is the V75 American Silver Eagle. Yes, the very first American Silver Eagle ever to have a Privy mark on it, and I was lucky enough to get it. I was lucky enough in 2019 to get the Enhanced Reverse Proof American Silver Eagle. I still have that, and now I have one of these to add to my collection, and this is amazing. I'm very happy that I was one of the lucky 75,000 or less than if you watch Silver Heist, but I have this in hand and I am happy. And of course I've already opened it because it has information in there, and it didn't matter if I opened this or not. The Enhanced Reverse Proof, you could not open it because it could have possibly had the signed COA and whatnot and what have you, and they didn't want any forgeries. That being said, I opened this up, of course, and check out this box right here. Very, very official right there. Edge lettering. It has edge lettering as well. Very cool. And then you pop this out. This is another box. A box inside of a box. But wait. Inside of another box. Of course, this is the COA, and it has all of the information about the end of the World War II 75th anniversary. And we're not going to go through all of that. And then all of the information down here. And then on the reverse, of course, bam, you have this. And then inside this box right here, very nice box, the V75 American Silver Eagle Proof. Check that out. And it is very dusty. I did already look at this thing. I did already look at it, and there was so much lint and stuff on this thing. I was very, very nervous at first, and I didn't know, so I got my loop out real quick, and I started looking to see if it was on the coin or on the capsule, and there was a ton of stuff on the capsule. Like right here, you can see all of the lint on the capsule. Pretty upset about that, but very happy that I ended up with one of these things. So happy about that. But yeah, look at all of that lint that is on the capsule, and it's inside the capsule. Look, it is inside the capsule. Definitely inside the capsule. I'll zoom in so you can see all of that lint. That is just unbelievable. If you got one of these, did you have the same problem? Let me know. Of course, I just want to know how the quality of packaging was. But what do I do with this thing? Now that I have it, I do have the Enhanced Reverse Proof. I still have it. Of course, I should grade it. Should I sell? What do you want to do with yours if you have one? Or what would you do if you had one? Here's the thing. eBay is very, very scary. It is a buyer site. So many things. I'm at a loss for words because so many things can be said. And it's scary. So if I were to sell something like this, it would definitely be a hand-to-hand transaction. Maybe I'd go through my LCS or something like that. But I just wanted to share this with you. Very happy about this. Of course, I have the Enhanced Reverse Proof as well. Very happy about that. V75, check it out. And the Enhanced Reverse Proof come back with Proof 70 as well. So that's graded. If this came back graded, maybe I can put them together as a set. You just never know. Awesome, awesome, awesome right here. I did not try for the gold. I did try for the gold ½ ounce with the silver medal. I tried for the gold, and I missed out on that one. So unfortunately, you can't win them all. V75 right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think and all that stuff. Until next time, good luck to you. I hope you profit on all your searches. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. And here I go with leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. And until next time, good luck.